Hey viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS on my Posh Beauty and Skincare. So straight to the point today, I'll be showing you how to make this very beautiful emulsified lightening scrub. So this scrub is a new recipe I just found out and I decided to share with my lovers on YouTube. So guys, you have to stay tuned to the end of this video because this is a new recipe. You will love this recipe. It's a lightening scrub. It's creamy lightening scrub and it's very beautiful. So don't go anywhere, just stay tuned to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on any important information. And if this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make an upload, and please do well to thumbs up for me so that I will know you enjoy my video and you love me the way I love you. So let's get a walk straight to the video. So to start with, if you're making an emulsified scrub, you'll be needing an emulsifier. So today I'll be using my e-wax and emulsifier, and I'll be using my butters, my oils to make this scrub. And lastly, I'll be using my sugar because it is a sugar scrub to make this scrub. So just stay tuned. Right now I'm just measuring out my oil phase, which is a phase A. So this oil phase consists of my e-wax and I also have my shea butter. So I'll be adding in my shea butter. My e-wax is at 3% and my shea butter is at 5%. So my batch size is just 100-gram batch size. So just watch this video carefully so that you understand this recipe. Here in this glass beaker is my oil. So in this oil I have my sunflower oil, and there's this herbal oil that I made by myself for my body lotion. So I added a little bit of that herbal oil into this oil. So I'll be needing this as my oil phase for my scrub. So right now I'm going to add my whitening powder. This is my whitening powder, my oil soluble whitening powder to the oil. I'm going to melt it down. So here is my oil. It's being melted down. I have mulberry extract in it. It is water soluble, so it's finding it very difficult to dissolve in the oil, but not to worry, by the time I whip it, everything is going to mix together. So next phase is to solidify this oil for whipping. So here is it after being in the freezer for some minutes. So I'm going to open up and then whip this oil to my desired viscosity. So I'm going to whip it very well. It's solid now after being placed in the freezer for some time. So I'm going to be whipping for about 10 minutes till I get my desired consistency. So I will now be adding the other ingredients to my oil phase. So the next ingredients I'll be adding in is my egg yolk powder. I'll be using egg yolk powder as my herbal powder, and it's also a lightening powder. I hope you know that you need protein in most of my formulations. So the next ingredients I'll be adding in is my arrowroot powder. So I'll be needing my arrowroot powder to reduce the greasy effect of this body butter. So I'll just be using 1% of my arrowroot powder in this formulation. Okay, so to spice it up, I'll just be adding in my gold mica color into this formulation just to spice it up to make my scrub sparkling, and it has that glowing look. So that's why I'm adding my gold mica color into my formulation. So I'll be mixing everything thoroughly now. So I have to mix everything thoroughly. The next phase now is to add my sugar as an exfoliant, because without this exfoliant you cannot make a scrub. So I'll be adding in my sugar already measured out into this formulation. So I'll just be adding the sugar bit by bit to check the viscosity, or rather let me say to check the consistency that I want. So I'll be adding the sugar bit by bit. Actually, when you're making a scrub, you cannot go excess on your sugar or salt, so I'll just be adding into my desired consistency. Do you get? So like I always said in my video, we are experienced and we are a very good and proud teacher. I have so many students that I've trained, and if you are interested in training with us, you can just send me a message with the number showing up on the screen to register for our group training or personal training that is always ongoing. And we also have our ebook for sale. It's just 10,000 naira, and we have our skincare products, safe and effective skincare products for sale. Anyone that is interested in buying, just send me a message with the number showing up on the screen, and I'll be right there to attend to you. So I want to use this medium to say thank you to all of my subscribers and all of my viewers on YouTube. I love you all. I don't take this for granted. We have 25,000 followers on YouTube right now. We love you so much, and we really appreciate your views and your subscription. Thank you so much. So I've been adding my sugar in bit by bit to this formulation. I'll be measuring another phase of my sugar to add into this formulation till I get my desired consistency, like I said earlier on. So as you know that I cannot make any formulation without my essential oil, so I just added my essential oil into this scrub that I've made, this very beautiful emulsified lightening scrub that I've made. So I added 5 drops of my geranium essential oil, and I'll also be adding in 5 drops of my mild essential oil. So right now, let me explain to you what I actually mean by being trained by a professional. Just watch the way I'll be scooping this scrub into this 100-gram container. This scrub is going to be the exact size of this container. It means that my recipe is perfectly correct. It means that my recipe is well formulated and correct if this scrub can actually fit in this container. So that is why I tell you, come and let us train you to be a professional. So this scrub is beautiful, it's sparkling with the mica colors in it. Is very, very beautiful, like a beautiful lightening scrub. In this scrub I have 3 lightening powders, and it's very, very beautiful. If you like and enjoyed this video, thumbs up for me. Please turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel so you get notified each time I make an upload. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I love you all. See you next time.